My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2020 Tesla Model 3. This vehicle has done just over 53,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. Immediately on the user interface, we're met with navigation as a feature, as well as an overview of the vehicle, which allows us to open the bonnet, charging port and boot. If we click the Tesla icon in the bottom right, we can control our controls, dynamics, charging, autopilot, navigation, safety, service and software. Within safety, we have advanced features such as a pin to drive and a glove box pin. If we go into software and click additional vehicle information, we can get a deeper analysis of the vehicle spec. The Model 3 also comes with a 360 degrees camera, and with that you can access your dash cam. If we click this icon here, we can access our climate control. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather, black interior, and get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.